I never really did explain in the last few videos exactly what I did with the turn signal setup that I have going on here on the front and the back of the bike. So on the front, I just got these off of Amazon. They're just some cheaper knockoff turn signal LED. It was like 16 bucks for the pair, or I mean for four of them. I only wanted to use two, but it was cheaper just to buy four, so I said whatever. If one doesn't work out of the box or something, I'll have the extra one. And then to mount it, to fill up the giant hole that would be otherwise left behind when you remove the factory one, I got this little plastic like grommet washer. I don't know what you would exactly call it, but I ordered it from TST Industries. It's actually for a Honda CRF 300L. If you go on their website, I think it was $6 for the pair of them. I figured I could use them just because I did end up using that on my CRF 300L, and it worked flawlessly, and the setup was pretty much identical to the Honda Navi as far as the front turn signal goes. And then for the rear, I went with the TST Industries. They're very small. I think it's for a Honda Monkey on their webpage. And then I just made these little brackets to mount them to out of just some sheet aluminum. Drilled a few holes in it. Because the Tidy Tail kit I got did not come with that. You can buy them with that, or TST Industries does offer brackets specifically for this purpose. I think they're $11 or $12. I just made my own, saved me a couple bucks. I did change out the little anodized ring. I did it gold. I also went with TST Industries gold license plate mounting light hardware kit with the anodized gold. I just like the way the gold and the red kind of mix together. I'm trying to do like blue, red, and gold on the bike. Just seems like a good color scheme to me. Everything seems to look pretty good together. And it's a super low profile setup as far as the rear turn signals go, which is what I was looking for. And of course, like I said in my previous videos, all four turn signals I do have resistors on. I have a link in one of my other videos directly to the ones that I bought. I also needed to put in underneath the seat, there's a flasher relay. I did buy one off Amazon. It works fine, as you can see on my bike. There's also a link to that in the description of one of my previous videos, along with the LED headlight and what I used to what I purchased to make that kit to run the LED headlight off of the ignition switch and everything like that. So if you're new to watching my videos, go back, check a couple of the other ones out, go through the links in the descriptions, and you know, I might be able to help you out. If you do find this helpful or useful at all, please like, maybe subscribe. I'm trying to grow the channel a little bit. I know my videos aren't the best. Hopefully they get better. Maybe they won't. I don't know.